Hi, and welcome to our last chapter of EasyClick. Today we'll work through some common frequently asked questions and their answers. You might have had this experience. You try to open EasyClick and you see an error message. Camera is not connected, or error starting device. Here's what probably happened. EasyClick was opened without a HEDO plugged in, or when another program was using your eye gaze camera. To avoid this, always be sure you have plugged in your IRISBOND camera using the provided cables, and have waited 10 seconds before opening EasyClick. Additionally, be sure you've closed any other eye gaze programs before opening EasyClick. If the cursor or mouse does not seem to be accurate to you or your user's eye gaze, don't panic. Try the calibration button or icon. Performing a quick 1 or 5-point calibration will ensure the most accurate experience with the camera. It's possible the lighting has changed or that the user or device has changed position since the last calibration, and a quick reset will get you back on track. The indicator light on HEDO can be a great tool for quick confirmation of eye detection, but if it's getting in the way, it can be turned off in the settings of EasyClick, Beginner, and Pro in the HEDO tab. I hope you've enjoyed this course about EasyClick and have learned a lot about its features and how to make the most of it. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to let us know.